Hey there, Adhika Vadari from Extra Coding YouTube channel is back again. So friends, in today's video, I'm gonna give you a question. So, let's make a new file, question3.py. Okay, so in this question, you have to make a simple calculator, which will calculate only two numbers. So what you have to do is that you have to take input from user. Okay, so you will take number 1 and number 2 and you will ask for the operator. Okay, you will ask for the operator from user. So suppose if user entered plus and here user entered 2 in number 1 and 3 in number 2. Okay, and user entered operator to be plus. Okay, so what should be your output? It should be your, or you can write the answer is, and you have to write the answer here, whatever answer you will get. So here as you can see 2 plus 3 is 5, so it should be like this. The answer is 5. Okay, suppose if user entered minus and user entered the number to be 4 and here let's write 2. So as you know that 4 minus 2 is 2, so it should be the answer is 2. If user entered multiplication, it should be 4 2s 8. If user entered division, should be 2. Okay, in division 4 should get divided by 2. Okay, and if user entered the remainder mod sign, so as you know if we divide 4 from 2, we will get 0. Okay, and if we write here 3, so it should be 1, or whatever remainder or answer you will get, it should be here. Okay, so what I'm trying to say is you have to make a calculator which will calculate two numbers only. Okay, so hope I made myself clear to you. See you soon in my next video guys with the solution of this video. Okay.